Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the new Add You to a Party feature on Roblox Web for PC. This update makes it easier than ever for your friends to invite you to group parties, so you can jump into games together in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can customize all sorts of things about your Roblox experience. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where you can control who can interact with you and how. Next, find the section labeled Communication. Click on it to expand more options. Here you'll see a new tab called Party. Click on Party to access the party settings introduced in this latest update. Now, under the Group Party section, you'll see several options for who can add you to a party. To make sure your friends can invite you, select Friends. This setting allows only people you've added as friends to send you party invites, keeping your experience both fun and secure. Once you've chosen friends, your changes will be saved automatically. You're now set up to be added to parties by your friends anytime they want to play together. It's that simple. With this new update, joining group games and hanging out with your Roblox friends is easier than ever before. No more complicated invites or missed opportunities. Just quick, seamless party connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and have fun gaming with your friends.